Is there other cool stuff in here? Sito's note. If you're reading this note, then you've got Marco Sito. His father, Marcos, was killed in a super mutant attack on our settlement, and I'm afraid my own wounds will be taking me as well. I don't have much time, and I'm terrified to send him out into this world alone, but I don't have any choice. I'm begging you to please take him in and see that he gets the food and shelter he'll need in order to survive. Tell our little Sito that his parents love him, and that if he's looking for us, we'll always be inside his heart. Sito's mother, Imelda. Aw. Nice. He's got quite the little setup here. Oh, we know what Sito likes. You'll get this water. No, I can't. Hold on. Yeah, not yet. I can't. It's just like the old man, Mort in Sandrock. I can't. If he dies, I'll be very sad. Okay. Let's get out of here. Let's blow this popsicle stand here. Sito. Oh, his full name is Marcosito. The chill name too. But yeah, are we sure like he's not something special? Because yeah, he learned English